India's castle. Today we are going to learn about changing Earth. The topic is earthquake. Come, let's see what is an earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of surface of the earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. What causes an earthquake? An earthquake is caused by a sudden slip on a fault. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in waves that travel through the earth's crust and cause the shaking that we feel. In California, there are two plates, the Pacific plate and the Northern American plate. What do you do during an earthquake? Before the earthquake, secure heavy furniture, hanging plants, heavy pictures or mirrors. Keep flammable or hazardous liquids in cabinets or on lower shelves. Maintain emergency food, water and other supplies, including a flashlight, a portable battery, operator radio, extra batteries, medicines, first aid kit and clothing. Clearly label the on-off positions of the water, electricity and gas. If your home is equipped with natural gas, tie or tape the appropriate wrench on or near the pipe to turn the gas off if necessary. Locate beds and chairs away from chimneys and windows. Don't hang heavy pictures and other items over beds. Closed curtains and blinds will help stop broken window glass from falling on beds. Consult a professional to find out additional ways you can protect your home, such as bolting the house to its foundation and other structural mitigation techniques. After the earthquake, fire hazards. Put out fires in your home or neighborhood immediately. Call for help. Gas leaks. Shut off main gas valve only if you suspect a leak because of broken pipes or a door. Damaged electrical wiring. Shut off power at the control box if there is any danger to house wiring. Downed or damaged chimneys. Approach with caution. Don't use damaged chimney. It could start a fire or let poisonous gases into your house. If power is off, plan meals to use up foods that will spoil quickly or frozen foods. Food in the freezer should be good for at least a couple of days. Use barbecue or camp stoves. Outdoors only for emergency cooking. What are the effects of an earthquake? Earthquake environmental effects are the effects caused by an earthquake, including surface faulting, tsunamis, soil liquefaction, ground resonance, landslides, and ground failure, either directly linked to the earthquake source or provoked by the ground shaking. Where do earthquakes occur? Most earthquakes occur along the edge of the oceanic and continental plates. The Earth's crust is made up of several pieces called plates. The plates under the oceans are called oceanic plates and the rest are continental plates. The plates are moved around by the motion of a deeper part of the earth, the mantle that lies underneath the crust. These plates are always bumping into each other, pulling away from each other or past each other. The plates usually move at about the same speed that your fingernails grow. Earthquakes usually occur where two plates are running into each other or sliding past each other. What is an earthquake zone? The Earth has three major earthquake zones. The first large area known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. The second major earthquake zone is along the mid-ocean ridges. The third major earthquake zone is the Eurasian Melanesian mountain belt. What are earthquake zones in India? Bihar, magnitude 8.1, date January 15, 1934. Gujarat, magnitude 7.7, date January 26, 2001. Maharashtra, magnitude 6.4, date September 30, 1993. Assam, magnitude 8.6, date August 15, 1950. Uttarkashi, magnitude 6.1, date October 20, 1991. One of the recent earthquake and its intensity. 4.3 magnitude. Earthquake strikes near Arunachal Pradesh, Pagan. 7.8 magnitude earthquake hits of Alaska, tsunami warning issued. 4.8 intensity earthquake near Andaman and Nicobar's Diglipur. 4.5 magnitude strikes near Jammu and Kashmir, Rajouri. 4.1 intensity earthquake hits Ladakh near Kargil. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell button near the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video.